Ready to transform your real estate leads into loyal clients with Kvcore. Let's jump right into creating a powerful marketing campaign in Kvcore, starting by navigating to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your Kvcore dashboard. Click on it. In the Marketing drop-down, select Campaigns. This will take you to the Campaign Management area. Now, to build a new campaign, click the Add Campaign button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner. You have to options Kvcore library to select a pre-built campaign or custom campaign to build your own. For this tutorial, let's build a custom campaign by clicking on Custom Campaign. Start by giving your campaign a descriptive name, for example, First-Time Homebuyer Nurture. Next, add a brief campaign description. This helps you identify the campaign's purpose later. Now, choose a campaign type, like Lead Nurture. Then, select your trigger, such as new lead. You can also set a start and date if needed. The heart of your campaign is the actions you add. Click the Add Action button. Here, you can choose from email, text, call, or task. Let's start with an email. Select email. Craft your email subject line and body. You can use Kvcore's dynamic variables to personalize the email with lead information. Set a delay for when the email should be sent after the trigger event. Next, let's add an SMS message. Repeat the add action step, but choose text. Write your text message and schedule its delivery. Don't forget tasks. Add a task action to remind yourself to follow up personally, like call lead to discuss their needs. Once you've added all your desired actions and are happy with your campaign flow, activate the campaign using the toggle switch at the top of the page. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom campaign in Kvcore to nurture leads and boost your real estate business. Now go out there and crush it.